Hey budgeting friends, how has your week been going? So we are back for another cash envelope stuffing for week 2 of September. And if you haven't noticed yet, this is a brand new binder which I will reveal later down the track. But before I get into the cash envelope stuffing, I'd like to say thank you to everybody who has purchased from my Etsy store and who have recently subscribed. I really do appreciate you guys and welcome to the family. Now let's get into cash stuffing. Okay, starting off with my wallet. I never have carry over with my wallet only because we do keep to budget. So with food shop it will be getting $150. So 150. And how I keep my grocery money to $150 a week, I usually do look for specials. Any meat that is on special, I will buy that and freeze it so that it can be used for the other weeks that is not a meat shop. Fuel will be getting $60. This is for me and my partner's car. Yeah, it really does help. And we don't look at the amount of money per item. We look at how much the value per item is. So yeah, and it really does save us. Well, I think it saves us money in the long run. Takeout will be getting $30. So yeah, that's how we kind of shop as well. So we are all done. So on to the bill expense binder. So starting off with my pipeline, it will be getting $120, which will be made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 2 5s. So let's count. We have in pipeline 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 5, 20, $120. Phone, YouTube, Netflix. For those who are new, I have paid all of my bill expenses for the whole year, so I don't need to stuff them anymore, which I am so happy about. Very, very happy. Household will be getting $5. So household now has 10, 25, 35, 40. Luna just had her vaccination done, so we have taken money out of that and we will be putting in just $5. So we are done stuffing our bill expense binder. So on to our challenge envelope stuffing. We will be stuffing 5 50s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 20s, 1, 2, and 3 10s, 1, 2, 3. So let's count together. So we have now in challenge envelope 51, 52, 50, 70, 90, 300, 10, 20. So $320 to stuff for our challenges this week, which is such a good amount to stuff. Okay, so on to our long-term binder. We are only stuffing one envelope because we do have extra money, which is going to be Target bills. For those who are new, this is going towards next year's bill. That is my long-term big goal for this year, is to try and slash away all of my bill payments for next year, so that moving forward we won't be stressing or needing to put money towards bills because it's all done this year. So we will be adding 51, 52, 53, 5400 dollars into Target envelope. So now it has $410. So that is done. Okay, so we are up to my brand new binder, which will be joining the family. And for those who did not notice, it was this beautiful pink star binder, which is such a beautiful, stunning color. And this is my binder. So before I get into it, I need to move all of my cash from my old envelopes into my brand new envelopes. And this will give you guys a sneak peek as to what the envelopes look like. So let's just move the old one into the new one right now. So with my dental, I will be taking out, let's count together, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 50. So 850 into my dental. So dental, which is here. Put that in there. And then we'll quickly move that out and put my envelope in front, as I love this envelope and I can't part with it. And it matches my envelope, my binder color. So my registration, so my car registration, let's quickly put that in there. And I've made cute little trackers already with pink to highlight that it belongs to the pink binder, which I am loving. So I've done that with all of my binders and their tracker color to match their actual binder color. And my car service. So I think that is done for all the moving, as it was not much anyway, as all of these envelopes are new. So let's stuff together, and then you guys will get to see my envelopes at the same time. So with my envelope, I will be getting $20, and that will be made up of 2 10s. So 20. Okay, so on to birthday, which is for my birthday next year and not this year. It will be getting $15. And I really do like the envelope design. I couldn't choose between the gold flakes, the rose, or the silver, so I have all of them with all of in like this binder, and I just really love the flower looking style, which a lot of YouTubers do have. But yeah, so my flowers aren't like some of them, but it's still flowers, and I really like, I really do like that kind of design, and this is just my own take on it. So with beauty, which is, yeah, I do everything by myself, it will be getting $10. I do my own eyebrows, I don't cut my hair very often, I do my own nails, I just do a lot of beauty stuff myself, only to save money, because they can be quite pricey in Australia. So I just learn how to do it, and just, yeah, if you guys were to ask me to do it for you guys, it'd probably be a different story. Yeah, so I've just learned how to perfect it for myself and for my body. So yeah, beauty is done, and this is a cute white flower. Dental will be getting $50, so that will make it to $900, which is such an amazing amount. So 900 in dental, and this has the pink floral, which I really like. Onto clothing, which I rarely buy for myself. It will be getting 2 5s. It's just like a mum thing, isn't it? Like we mums look after ourselves last, I would say. Like I put myself last compared to my boys, only because I'm happy and content with what I wear. Like some of my clothings are, honestly, they were bought like 5 years ago. Yeah, so yeah, I rarely spend money on clothes unless it's for like, you know, my underwear or my socks. But yeah, that's cute. And then charity will be getting $5. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the envelopes. I really do, I try to do the infamous flower and gold flake looking envelopes, but yeah, I couldn't find those kind of flowers, and I already had some anyway, so I just made my own, which is just cute. You guys can't really see the detail, but yeah, it's gorgeous. Hobbies will be getting $10. Which will be for like, you know, my soccer or tennis, anything social and active. And yeah, like growing up I never had a hobby, so it'd be nice to start getting a hobby again, which I'm loving, which I will love. Hopefully, yeah, this is dedicated to my active and social events. Car registration will be getting $10. So it has 30 in here. We'll put 2 5s, so $40. And this is one of the bills I want to chip away at in my next upcoming videos or stuffing. I definitely want to chip away my car registration and my car service, which will be getting the last $10. And it has 51, 50, 60. So $160. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of my binder, what you guys think of my new envelopes. I really do like it. It's so flowery and I can't even say the word right, but it's such a tongue twister. But yeah, so, and don't mind the nails. They are holographic looking style, but I like them. So yeah, we are done stuffing my brand new binder. And not to mention the very last binder I will be adding to the family. Like you guys might be thinking, it's a lot of binders, but it's all needed for my own family. So I really like it and I like the new change. So yeah. So we are done stuffing my brand new binder, which is my binder. And you guys have seen all of the parts with my change of binders. So yeah, so the magic phrase is seek to understand. So before you get into, and this really does help with like arguments or with anything, is seek to understand. So always try and understand where they're coming from, why they have said what they've said, before going into it conversation wise. But also it could also relate to just even with cash stuffing, like understand why you guys are doing it, how you guys are doing it, and why it you know, how can it work for you really. Thank you so much for joining me and all of the parts to my videos. This is the last part and the last change to my binder and my cash envelope system. I thank you guys for watching each part. And if you haven't, check out my Etsy store, which I'll leave a link below. It really does help a sister out. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I really do appreciate every support I can get. It really does make me super happy to see it and to feel it. And thank you so much. I do hope you guys are inspired or, you know, learning something from me. Like, that's all I want, and that's just my intentions. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.